So Kimball Arts Center in Park City, Utah asked me to make a Rainwork educating students about how water is used here and where it comes from. So this is what we made. This blue drop is where we start. To reveal this, we're going to use water. So imagine this is like the rain that comes down. And when the rain comes down, it goes 3 different places. First place is the mountains, where it gets stored as snowpack. Second place are the surface, lakes and reservoirs. And the third place is the groundwater that seeps underneath. You can see some of it rises up as springs to the surface. We continue on. This represents, the thickness of this represents 100% of the water available for use in Utah. Let me get another bottle. Now about 8% goes up here to commercial and industrial use. About 10% to residential usage. And about like 82% to agriculture. And that's one way to learn about water.
That's awesome, man.